Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. Homeschool moms all are searching for curriculum already. I know you guys are because I have been too, and curriculum videos are going to start coming out on my channel here probably within the next month of choices that I've made for my kids on what they're going to be using next year in our homeschool. If you've been watching me for a while, you know that I have older kids now, homeschooling high schoolers. My oldest daughter is going into the 10th grade, and to be quite honest, there is a huge lack of curriculum options truly for kids that age. And also on YouTube, there's not that many moms sharing about homeschooling high schoolers. So I am attempting to fill in those gaps where I feel the Lord is calling me to and share with you guys things that have been working really well for us in a season of homeschooling with my kids being in older, upper middle school and high school aged. So that brings me to what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I will be doing the grade level curriculum videos, but today I'm just going to be focusing on BJU's homeschool curriculum. If you guys have been watching, then you know that when my daughter went into 8th grade, we tried the earth science course from BJU Homeschool. We used the video option that they have available where they're watching the video online, not the DVD and not the textbook option. So we tried this out in 8th grade for earth science with my oldest daughter, and if you've watched curriculum videos in the past, this will be a little repetitive, but bear with me because there's something really awesome I'm about to tell you about here in a second. And we loved it. So anyway, this curriculum was fantastic, from transitioning what we were using for science in our homeschool to using this for 8th grade to carry on into high school level science courses. So my son, who is my next one right behind her, he's just one grade below, he has been completing the earth science course from BJU this year. Again, he loves it. Fantastic course. Highly, highly recommend this course for 7th and 8th grade specifically. But it's so well done, and it really just brought together so many things that we had learned about before because we were doing science more as unit studies. And this earth science course kind of tied all that up with a pretty bow, and they were able to, my oldest daughter was able to move on this year to the physical science course through BJU. So this is something that my oldest daughter in 9th grade has been using this year. This course is very, very, very well done. It is a challenging course. She was ready for the challenge. She was up for the challenge, and I am blown away at the things that she has learned. I don't think I learned any of this in my public education, and it is fantastically done. This course was just recently revised, and so it does contain some more recent things that your kids have probably heard about, and the instructor of this course on the video is absolutely hilarious. My daughter literally laughs out loud as she's doing the lesson, and it's been amazing. So earth science in 8th grade totally prepared her for physical science in 9th grade from BJU. And as you guys also know, if you watch a lot of my videos, we have been utilizing their foreign languages. I see so many homeschoolers struggling with foreign language, where to find it, and I cannot rave about BJU's Spanish course. That's the only one we've used so far. So my daughter did Spanish 1 in 8th grade as her elective. She did Spanish 2 this year in 9th grade for her elective. And you guys are going to see next year she is moving on to Spanish 3. So already completely done with foreign language by the time she's in the 10th grade. Amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. She speaks Spanish really well. I am blown away, and that is definitely a course that there is benefit to hearing someone who speaks Spanish as their first language teach, not a skill I possess. And so BJU in our homeschool has been a blessing. It is a blessing because, like I said, there are not that many curriculum options when it comes to high school. And the real reason behind that is because the market is very small. The majority of children who start out homeschooled do return to either a private school or a public school setting by the high school ages. And so there's just not as much of a demand for high school level curriculum, higher grade level curriculum, and the courses are very expensive to make because the subject matter is very in-depth and requires experts in these fields to be able to create these courses. So I am so thankful for BJU and my homeschool. It is an awesome transition from me basically teaching every subject to my kids to allowing them to have independence and learn how to work through a course on their own. It's been amazing. It's really blessed our homeschool, which is why I have my box here from BJU to show you guys for what they are going to be using next year. So for our upcoming homeschool year, my oldest daughter will be in the 10th grade. My son will be in the 9th grade. 2 high school aged kids is giving my mom a heart something, but I got my materials. We are continuing to use the video option from BJU, not the DVD, the actual video that is on there where their teacher does the lesson and then they have their materials. So you guys will see this again when the curriculum videos come out. But my son, who is going into the 9th grade, is going to be doing Spanish 1. And so here are his student sheets, his course book, his materials needed for his Spanish 1. Like I mentioned, my oldest daughter is moving on to Spanish 3. So here are her materials for Spanish 3. For 10th grade science, we are moving on to biology. So she is going to be doing biology, and she's really excited about that. There's a lot of lab activities that go with that. So here's her course book for biology from BJU. And then we have the Spanish 3 student sheets and the Spanish 1 book, so Spanish for both of them. And then here's the physical science course that my 9th grader will be taking. He's basically following in my oldest daughter's footsteps because we have loved the courses. So the science courses have the book, the lab manual, and the student sheets. Her biology course has the same thing. It's biology, a lab manual, and the student sheets. So that's a little bit of a spoiler for you guys. That is what we're going to be using from BJU in our homeschool next year. Now, here's what I have to tell you guys. If you have a kid who, and they have younger grades, it's just I've never used them. So they have from kindergarten all the way through high school. So don't think that this is just, for older students. It's just when I started using it and what I love it for. So they are getting ready to have a free online party on Facebook, and I will have a link where you guys can register. You do have to register to attend this online party. It is free, but you do have to register using the link down below. The party is going to take place April 18th through the 22nd. Now, why go to an online party? Well, there will be prizes and drawings for Amazon gift cards and BJU subject and grade kits. So they're going to be giving away curriculum. They are going to be having prizes and drawings for Amazon gift cards. But my personal favorite thing about the online party are the discounts. Discounts are a homeschool mom's favorite word. And they are going to have some really great discounts. BJU doesn't always have discounts. So I'm telling you guys, if you want to use this curriculum next year for anything in your homeschool, you want to go to this online party. They are going to have 50% off on 5 or more video course subjects. So if you want your kids to basically use BJU for everything, 5 or more, you're going to get a 50% discount. There's going to be 25% off on grade and subject kits, and there's going to be 10% off of everything else. So you will be able to save money. In the online party, they're going to have things going on all day, but you're going to be able to ask questions, learn from other parents that are in the party, hear from speakers. They've got some really great speakers that will be in there, and there's also going to be the option to interact with the teachers who teach on the videos. So I think that that's really cool. My kids will absolutely love being able to see their favorite science teacher and get to, like, you know, see them chatting with the parents in there. So I think that that's a really fun thing that they're doing. So like I said, this is BJU's homeschool party. It is going to be April 18th through the 22nd, and you do have to register. So sign up down below, don't wait, and make sure that you are checking into that group every single day, entering to win those prizes and awesome giveaways on curriculum, and taking advantage of the discount that's going to be available when you are a part of that party. So that link will be down below. Make sure you check it out because we absolutely love using BJU's materials in our homeschool. They have really blessed me as a homeschooling mom with the older kids, but like I said, they do have all grade levels and all subjects. So check it out, but if you were interested and you want to use it, you definitely want to join this party because you are going to save yourself some money. So that is the great news that I wanted to share with you guys. The link will be down below again, but I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of the curriculum we're going to be using next year. More to come, definitely, but don't miss out on BJU's homeschool party. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in my next video really soon. Bye, friends.